Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Omsi Reddy. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear the Cognizant exam. So this is a basic question for everyone to get a job, and they have a dream to get a job and great biggest MNCs companies. So recently we have already uploaded for apply for this Cognizant 2022 batch candidates who are going apply that, and they have waiting for the exam schedule. And now today in this video I will explain about the pattern of the exam, and I will give the tips to how to clear that exams and get into the Cognizant exam. Okay, before going to share the details, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel for more updates about data science and job updates and relevant anything. And watch that till end. You can get everything about the Cognizant exam pattern. Okay, let's start. I have already made some content for you, and this is a real content. You can see this content, and I have searched so many ways, and finally I have prepared something for you, and let's start that. It is not an official announcement by the Cognizant exam pattern, but basically this Cognizant is one of the biggest MNC companies. There is a selection process of these companies for types like presentation and written test, technical round and HR round. What the presentation means, how much you have capability to work on the presentation, how much knowledge you have to creativity thinking, like these are the things are going in the presentation thing. Whereas written test, it is the most first and most important test, because there is a some of the things like aptitude test, logical tests and English comprehensions, like that. Simply I give that some examples to you, like aptitude. Please follow the RS Agrawal book. It is the best thing to clear the exams and competitive exams. And whereas logical abilities, you can just move on to the pages and LinkedIn pages on the website. There is a lot of website to prepare for this logical ability test and aptitude. I'm also create this of the type of real time examples of both what are the companies are giving that. Please follow this LinkedIn, my LinkedIn ID and Insta ID. I have uploading the relative questions and the interview questions in that IDs. Okay, the next one is technical round. In technical round, we have seen if you are have if you have any popular language like Python, Java, C, you want to be a advanced level in that. Based on that level of programming, they will give the questions, and you can attempt that questions based on your coding languages like Python, Java. Please make sure learn Python. Python is a very important language, and very especially it is used for the data science and AI purpose also. Please, my suggestion is go through the Python and have from basics. You want to learn from the basic, like Python is not only thing. You can learn Java, you can learn C++, everything, but focus on the basic topics. What are the things, what are the variables, what are the data types, or something. Keep the syntaxes, and from basics onwards, from basics you want to learn everything at a time. Only you can clear this technical rounds. And finally HR round, it is a simple thing. You go move into the HR round and discussing about the salaries and nature and some of the brief introduction about yourself. These are the things go on between the HR and you. This is an exam pattern, all about the exam pattern and preparation. Now how to clear these types of exams. So if you have time, 10 to 15 days or to get a exam test exam dues, so make prepare the aptitude, reasoning and aptitude is very important. Please follow the RS Agrawal. It's very important. If you complete the whole chapters in RS Agrawal, it is very easy to clear this aptitude round. Even not in a Cognizant exam also, you can clear any type of exams like Wipro, Infosys, IBM, any type of exams. This aptitude is very important for that, and logical thinking of very easy important. And where in the programming, there is a two hands-on programming things. You want to practice that, and you want to know the basic levels. This is the basic levels of the things you want to know to clear this type of exams. Up to you, for the 100%, up to 70% you want to clear the test cases of the is large programming. So at the time only you can easily shortlisted in the by the company. So these are all about these things, and I think so you have liked this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay friends, bye bye, take care.